here. I'm here at the Cabana to tell you about these marvelous chickens that are up for adoption. This is Nutmeg, who's trying desperately to escape from my clutches, and she did. So those are the lovely ladies that are up for adoption. They need a home somewhere in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And we would love someone who is dedicated to loving their hens and not to eating them, to adopt them. Oh! And the chickens are now trying to trip my cameraman. Okay, so we hope that you will come and adopt them. Bye, bye, bye.